Wagwan ENT.
Showing that your love is true. You got to show a little loving. You got to give a little loving. Share a little loving. Share some happiness. Share a little loving. Share a little loving.
Now we coming on the bar tree style. They give if you want. And want it, don't get it. Get it, don't want it. I want it, can't get it. I get it, don't want it. Yeah, man, if you give if you want, then not the only sure gonna get. I tell you, oh, this a cap fit. Let them wear it. If you want things, you got to share it. I can't all of yourself alone. Got to give someone to your brother if you won't miss and share it. Say not the dread, I beg you share it. Some man trying to be wise. A whole lot of money they have and trying to economize. But doing things like that you could never win no first prize. Why live a night and I grab up the mic and just make pure nice. Sure. Like it working for nothing. But say one them call we peer alley button. Yeah, you know. We say give if you want. That is dread you want to share it. Tell your man and me say, oh, this a cap fit. The guy them up and wear it. I tell you if we shirt even tear. The guy them want and I pay wear it. And I said that if we clocks have a hole. The guy them want and I pay wear it. Feed the multitude, so you pay share it. I tell you pay share it. I tell you fi keep and you fi care it. Lord, that's it and you fi share it. Right, you must start. Man, a best friend indeed is a best friend indeed. If you wanna know your friend, you play like you're dead, then you share it. What am I say, principal?
But I say you must have to share it. But me say this, yeah, as the rock of style. Black people, that's the rock of sound, judge and know he wicked and wild. Bang little ding. Me say fi share it. John up the street, that big you share it. Bang little ding. Come and say want and lose all. Bang little ding. You coulda big, you coulda fat, you coulda even so man. Say in not this a dance, a ram dance all. Not to share it. Oh black people, how he come for the first time round on the A1 sound. A man called Philip Fraser who put ratchet knife on him neck and straight to God see a razor. A thing called please stay, you know. Love you woman, mother, right? Oh baby, alright. Yes, Dread. Girl, I love you and I don't want you to leave me, please stay, baby. Girl, I love you and I need you to be my bride. You wanna walk out on me, girl. You wanna leave me all alone. That ain't right. Oh no, that ain't right. Right, say black people. Now you come I treat from a top of man a second.
Right, principal. My principal selection. Thing called please stay.
Oh baby.
Yeah, you know. Special request to one of the dreadlocks them from Mandeville.
Girl, I love you and I don't want you to leave me. Please stay, baby. Girl, I love you and I need you to be my bride. You wanna walk out on me, girl. You wanna leave me all alone. That ain't right. Oh no, that ain't right. When I'm feeling blue, I always think of you. And when I'm feeling cold, you are the one I wanna hold in my arms. Hold you in my arms, baby. It's alright. Girl, I love you and I don't want you to leave me.
and I need you to be by my side. Remember when we used to talk about loving each other for life?
Addis Ababa International.
What people wanna say, I don't care what they wanna do. I'm gonna beg you to stay, begging you, stay with me all night long. Girl, I love you and I don't want you to leave me. Please stay. Come on, baby. Girl, I love you and I need you to be my bride. Come on. Girl, I love you and I don't want you to leave me. Please stay. No, no, no. Girl, I love you and I need you to be by my side. I always love you, baby. It's alright. Loving you. Alright.
Man call for the praiser say,
girl, I love you and I don't want you to leave me. Please stay, baby. Girl, I love you and I need you to be my bride. You wanna walk out on me, girl. You wanna leave me all alone. That ain't right. Oh no, that ain't right. When I'm feeling blue, I always think of you. And when I'm feeling cold, you are the one I wanna hold in my arms. I always love you, baby. It's alright. Come on, oh.
no Rastafari know this one always dedicated to the gate man. Seen? Don't play hard for a man and them have a $4. This one dedicated to the gate man. Don't know dance business going on my eye train. Dedicated to the gate man. Me say me went to a dance down a Georgia. The gate controlled by 1,000 soldiers. Me say me give them a Chris $20. Not me don't take out a $15. Me say the man start show off now the place. One box me give me 9 blasted face. And one of them put me with a big 38. Hear me now, Jed. Let go me ungate man, let me come in. Let go me ungate man, let me come in. You want a bottle with a M16. Your mouth smell like a rotten sardine. You sleep under me cellar when me live off popping. The one clocks you up, me said the heel too lean. The one shirt you up, me said you know it no clean. The one pants you up, me no have it no seam. Hey, let go me ungate man, let me come in. Let go me ungate man, let me come in. If you give me chocolate, I got me a fill up. Have 2 bridge in the rest of New York. Take them telescope and spy in a STUR GAV. Couldn't see nobody cause the place too dark. Me have to laugh, ribbit, hey. Me say me know something, but me not tell a man. All of the sound like a zinc pan. But people come and play from England. Ancestor are the champion. Bam, diddly. Let go me ungate, man, let me come in. Let go me ungate, man, let me come in. You want a boat with a M16. You want a boat with a M16. Me might a choke you and make you stifle. It's a lucky thing when I bought you with a assault rifle. But the one of the principal.
Yes, Colonel. Now this one dedicated to the gate man brethren will stand upside of him. See? Say after me come from work, feel my shop. Me say me get a little sleep, then me wake up. But me feel so bad in my stomach. Me beg a youth buy a backlog just to me to catch up. No figure chew up on me rice, cause me no want catch cheek up. Me hear same in a stereo dance stand up. Reach a the gate me and the gate man buck up. The gate man friend come a hold up on me shot. Bow, let go me shot before you get a gun butt. Let go me shot before you get a gun butt. I might back me knife and kill you with cut. I might use a big stone lick you in your gut. Your brethren them a tell me you are their mascot. When they come to fight, Lord, I got you know what. As me chew away me cigarette, you pick up the butt. Your teeth then canky like a road full of rust. Your head favor jet and your face favor mud. But they gon' make sure before you get a gun. But anything that you can do, STUR GAV can do it better. Man, we are the roughest. Man, diddling. Already man, I say Colonel.
Ribbit Rasta. Selassie. Don't feel away again, man. One thing with music, when it hits you feel no pain. This one dedicated to all the girls. I've got to find my baby. I just got to find my baby. I wonder where she is. Hey, mister, can you tell me where Campbell live? Yeah, man, she live next door, top floor. 1, 2, 3. Right here, this is the door. Lord of mercy. Dedicated to all the girls. Sing, hey, I've got to find my baby. I just got to find my baby. I wonder where she is. Hey, mister, can you tell me where Campbell live? Yeah, man, she live next door, top floor. I'm Mr. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, right there. This is the door. Now who is it? It's me, babe. What you want now? Wait 1 minute, please. Don't close the door. I have something I would like to say to you. You see, I was just released from the hospital. The reason why I released because the doctor told me that the medicine can do me no good. He told me what I have is beyond medical science. He told me what I have is more serious than cancer. He told me what I have is a very bad case in blues. Oh, baby, yeah. But I found out that the best remedy for the blues is to be with the one you love. Oh, baby, I want you to understand what I'm saying. You see, the reason why I'm referring to you so hard is because I'm not ashamed to let you know that I love you so much. Lord, I got because the doctor are the human mechanic. Me said the doctor are the human mechanic. Repeat, hey, if me get a cut him up, me stitch it, Lord. And if me sick him up, me cure it. Even the tuberculosis. Lord, I got me said the doctor is the human mechanic. Go down in a selection inspector and I come to chop it up. With him on a principal.
Yes, Selassie, I son. I just to the power the most I got the Rastafari while we living at the heart of fire now, you know. Now we come to think called special request to Manhattan. Yes, sir. No inspector is a different selector, you know, friend. So strictly business we are touched down in now. Right.
On you, shining star. Don't you go away.
Way down in a Mandeville.
No, baby.
I ain't not here, devil.
I wanna be right here where you are till the dying day. Oh, girl. So many times trying to find the love like yours and mine. Oh, baby. Baby, when you touch, love you so much. You only wasting time. Oh, baby. Only you are my silent star. Don't go away. Whoa, baby. Girl. It's you I love.
Man can't for the praise, I know rubber double styles I will tell you. When I say be all good and pleasant it is, my brethren to unite in one. Repeat play down in a Christmas night
Come
style.
on, baby.
Right.
Let's sit down. We've been dancing all night long. Come on, baby. Get close to me. We'll never dance to a reggae song. Reggae music is fine, you see. We'll never dance to a reggae song. Come on, baby, come dance with me all night long. You are my
So happy dread flash your head. Now here come the colonel in a fashion.
This one called the STUR GAV diseases. John know me I drain. And I come for chop it up a scene. Right. We must know. No bun without cheeses. When Sunday come, we down like go to churches. We never sit down on back benches. We have to listen when they pass and the preaches. Like the leaf dust a blowing up the trees. Mind you lick you with diseases, Lord. Mind you lick you with diseases.
Addis Ababa International.
Like this, repeat the A. Like the cow arthritis. And the dog superlitis. I want the thing, I want the thing. Slang down, bang, bang. We never trespass on no man premises. And go tell them about our circumstances. Only pillar go into cases. Only old man wear braces on them trousers. Only one horse can win in any races. This a DJ come fit on up to the bases. Wiggle up them waist, get the drum on the bases. Fling on them clocks and them not up the laces. Walk on the street and them not bend up them faces. Mind jolly you with diseases. Mind jolly you with diseases. Like the donkey mind life is right. Like the cow arthritis. All I'm pull up inspector with the principal going at it.
Yes, sir. Now he come and I play on the double and rubber dub fashion, you know. When I say black people, you got to know yourself now this your Iowa. Ribbit Colonel. Step from Kingston and to Christiana. Me say me get 3 bunch of banana, 14 pound of the sweet sweet cassava, 19 pound of the dry dry ginger, 18 pound of the red tomato, 16 pound of the sweet sweet potato. Come on me tap a bag of water, come on me catch a river water. Can't put no standard so they want generator. Walk from a country go a Kingston Plaza. No and no money me a pay borrow will the starter. Too much water down a new market. Bima, too much water down a new market. But one coke for a full basket. No one you cap away you can't reach it. No put your egg them in a one basket. So Sister Margaret, so Margaret me say no take we be no target. So target we be badly go a market. Market go buy way your man with chocolate. So chocolate me say with carrot and turnip. So turn it but them a sing me with elastic. Elastic we eat way your man with saltfish. With saltfish, that is your miracle. Me say no take we be no turtle. Come in at the dance in a blouse and girdle. One papa do say out a evil circle. Him and him big up me girlfriend Merkel. In a spikes and a damn tight trouble. Can kill your sister Merkel. To Merkel me say no take we be no turtle. And so the man says so the king sound play. And we come, the boom, the thing call out and never ever ever let you go. Oh dreadlocks rhythm like this, we catch it and twist it up. 95 different styles is. Them your styles is your wicked and wild is. Them your styles is the one in all the islands is. Do it!
I will never let you
Lord
go.
of mercy.
I will never.
Oh,
I will never let you go. I will never. I've got to hold on every day in every
Inspector, our man I say Colonel.
Man call for the praise of selection, I see one Inspector play from the top to the very last. The thing call I would have never. Never, 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 never. One star, hey.
I will never let it go. I will never let it go. I will never, I've got to hold on every day, in every way. But the things you would say just couldn't be that way. You'll never ever reach if you don't try it. Instead you keep on telling all those dreadful lies. Just wait and see how things would be when I am free. Don't worry about me. Don't worry about me, 'cause I will never let go. I always try. And I've got so much soul, and you wonder why. It's just because I'm so true. You'll be feeling blue when I get through. There's nothing you can do now. I know I could, and I know I could. I know I could. Whoa, yeah. I know I could.
Uncle Philip Fraser say so.
I will never let go. I always try. Man, I've got so much soul. You wonder why? It's just because I'm so true. You'll be feeling good when I get down. There's nothing you can do now. And I know I could, yes, I know I could. I know I could.
Never gonna let go.
Whoa, yeah.
Not to hang on like slow
Like I
babe.
should.
You see?
I know I could.
Right.
I know I could.
Kalang Printo.
I know I
Honey. You know Sarah Gav really love you. Now you reach over and hold me tight. I reach over and turn off the light. This a love. Man call a camera to turn we loose. Jano.
Wanna be free now, yeah.
What the man say principal?
Turn me loose.
I'm look at thing called Turn Me Loose.
Turn me
The man called Al Campbell and Passion, you know.
Take these chains from off my feet and let me rock to the
Oh, I greet you now, Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. Emperor Lord God Selassie I the first. Jah Rastafari. How the man who knows confident in himself lose 90% of the race of life. To love your auntie, your little daughter and your wife. Right?
Turn me loose.
Bedeng deng.
Turn me loose.
Bedeng to shung peng.
Take these chains from off my feet and let me rock to the blues. Turn me loose. Turn me loose. Take these shackles off my feet. I want to rock to the blues. It's been so long since I'm down here in the sleigh. Oh Lord, we got to fight for our rights. It's been so long since we've been fighting day and night. Oh Lord, and freedom we got to have in this time. Away with your partiality. We want unity in this community. So turn me loose. Turn me loose now.
Yes, Dread. You got to remember the man called Anthony Johnson in the area. Drive and direct, a whole heap of super, right? Then just cool. Cool now. One. Bang the ring. Bang the ring, badang, badang, bang the ring, bang.
Wagwan EMC.
You got to remember the super duper sister called Sonia Spence in the area. Boy, man, she's wicked and wild. One.
This time we want to see the light.
Hey.
We've got to live by the things we know that's right.
Do not miss it down the road to those people. Nothing. I want to see things down to go longer. Ain't I shit no carry no anchor. Yes, sir. Police locker in a station.
Policeman locked me down a station.
Oh, black people now you come to combination tree in a rubber dub fashion. I said the colonel, the inspector, the teacher, and the principal along with Anthony Johnson. And the sister called Sonia Spence. Holy super and see. So later must be greater. Right back till daylight. To school. Well the past style, Dread, I give a style. Your man and I'm age. Do it! But you're late. Go there, hear me now. Say we 3 stars of putty and tar. Try to light the rotten cigar. Say me Anna a bicycle and Josie on a tricycle and Willie in a donkey car. Right, Colonel.
Selassie, I know. Selassie, I know. Any man who miss this dance that John always come like him don't even have no Christmas printer. I want a Christmas carol. John, right? I want a diddle ding. I want a ding. Hey, slang badang.
Addis Ababa International.
When we say jingle dread, jingle dread, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun we have to ride on a CB200. Lord God, jingle dread, jingle dread, jingle all the way. Say, oh, what fun we have to ride on a CB200. But we say lick the chalice and be jolly. Cha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Bun the chalice and be jolly. Cha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. On the first day of Christmas, my true love sent to me a Chris clutchy, one telephone chalice and a big good sense. Let's go to Chaplin. What the man has a principal?
Yes, Colonel. Mother. I said the Colonel of Selassie, I carve him out. Jano. But dreadlocks, sometimes you have a reason with your selector. Say inspector, this your dance, it have to cock. Diddling. Say inspector, this your dance, it have to cock. Diddling. Say inspector, the dance where we play down a Mandeville way. The inspector, this your dance, it have to cock. Diddling. But me say marada dog, legs to alone, she got to move. Do it! Say marada dog, legs to alone, she got to move. Right, Walt Disney. Come and say marada dog, legs down. Me say this stone of Babylon, on bed and to show. Marada dog, legs to alone, she got to move. Boy, hear them style and no dreadlock. Me say me gone pan a DJ hunting. Me say me gone pan a DJ hunting. Me say the first place we cock pan a down a state land. The second place we cock pan a down a Brighton. The third place we conk, man, not down a Westmoreland. The fourth place we conk, man, not down a St. Ann. Now the white people them sent we are England. Should I see when me jump off a plane? Josie start ball as a Chaplin, me shame. Me tell him when he was a great DJ lad, I got it in the game. The people them a pose and just a ball out with name. You should have seen the whitey and backy them in a England fan lane. Some of them a talk about STUR GAV is a sound it at the boss. Cause when Josie start chant, lad, I got them do that fast. Some of them paper them ugly with job one up and a half. Lad, that got wicked and I'm banana diddly diddly the hold on until it. Right, Colonel.
Selassie, I know my brethren. Everywhere I and I go, people run out and I say, Principal and Colonel. They them not fling one bun JBC or RJ and make no sound a superstar. Oh, you keep a low profile, Dre, you know I go like Bob Marley. Bam diddling, 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 diddling. It up is sail, 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 Lord, don't got it up is sail. Bam diddling, diddling, diddling. Say people buy them in a bucket, basket and even pail. No gonna foreign via hair mill. Who no have one our record must be Avante. It up is sail. Say any tune we do it up is sail. Bam diddling, diddling, diddling. Me said it bought by the teacher, select by Willie, DJ by Chaplin and Josie Whale. Your mouth cold and long like a 10 penny nail. You walking on the street, you just a crawl like snail. Lord, I got them on the ship and I know it up is sail. It up is sail. Lord, I got it up is sail. Bam diddling, diddling, diddling. It up is sail, 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 sail. Lord, I got it up is sail. Ribbit inspector, that shit from the top. Me client I go down like a factor. Seen. Where the man say Principal?
John O. Colonel. Any tune I and I do, it have a seal. John O. Dread. But you see like how they are come here now. Say day oh. Yeah, the light and we soon go home. Come Papa will make we mash up his selection. Yeah, the light and we want go home, but small days you still on me mind. Bang diddling, 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 diddling. Show me say small days it's a good time. Bang diddling, 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 diddling. Come me say never you beat little children. How will me say? You be love, protect and always admire them. Bang diddling, diddling, diddling. Cause when I was a boy and in a mid-days, every young girl pass, me used to gaze. But now I am a man, me happy understand. Say I and the colonel could not get every woman. But me say, hey, little girl in the big black sweater. Bang diddling, diddling, bang diddling. Say in a Charlie Chaplin pants you woulda look much better. Oh yeah, me man. You should have seen me and Julie down by the schoolyard. Bang diddling, 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 diddling. To me say me and Julie down by the schoolyard. Oh yeah, them style and no dread. Say murder in this place, they sue me for a child. Next month is the case. I tell you, me papa never mind me. Run away from me in me mama belly. But I Charlie no one no disturbance. Every woman have a right for my baby. All and pull up inspector. Our man has a question.
Selassie, I know where I join Marcus Garvey and I have to rest 10 miles out of town. I'm to sell a shirt and buy a cutlass as Kingston hot. Jano, last year enough gunshot. It's a good thing I live for see it to tree. Ribbit. Hey, Kingston hot, Kingston hot, hey. I want down, then Kingston hot, hey. Lord, down, we say Kingston hot. Long, ding. The youth, they make a hustling by selling Kisco Papa. Dreadlocks are jogging at them sweatsuit top. And the daughter, them are muggling a Pearson top. When it's not bad boys, Babylon a fire beer shot. If me never skip kill with a rich dog cut in a crisp boat box with varnish at that. Piece of looking glass, Lord. Pon the top and a 9-hole screw, Lord. Hold it down at that Kingston hot. Lord, I got to miss a Kingston hot. Me say me have on me hat, but me here never come. Man, me near my fry fish and then me fling with the bone. Now for tear up and shoot them this a fling Pierstone. And when me sitting at the country on a Riverstone, Kingston hot. Lord, I got to miss a Kingston. I wouldn't want to say principal.
Yes, Colonel. Oh, black people, you know hear nothing yet.
Addis Ababa International.
Anyway, Josie go, the people, them a call him Lord Laro. Why? Them say them don't know how he can handle soca so. Iba! 100! Right. Grease up your waist with a big tin of Vaseline. All and pull up Inspector. Ribbit them, Colonel.
Ribbit black people, Selassie, I know this one called the Jamaican Soca. Dedicated to any man who take a trip to Trinidad and Tobago. And even Barbados, I seen. Mommy says all fish, hey. Nothing in this world is sweeter than saltfish, right? English, colonial, Barbadian, saltfish, my brethren, it's sweeter than meat, yeah. When it come to it, I say Lord, saltfish sweet. And me say when I die, principal, bury the kernel deep. But I must say fling, quarter pound of saltfish, right at your brethren feet. We're chatting about saltfish, hey. It's sweeter than meat. Drum it from the top to the very last drop, Inspector. I never forget a thing called the Jamaican Soca, dedicated to all the girls in the furlough. Dedicated to all the girls in the furlough and the Calvin Klein. A thing called the Jamaican Soca, right? Say on my way, going to OG. Sight a fat lady does a look for me. She said, hey Joe, how you jamming so? You're spinning over your belly like you're playing yo-yo. One for the money, she said, two for the show. Three to get ready and a four to go. She said the best supermarket is up a high low. The body star boy and the one Django. The sweetest fruit is Bambi Mango. She play a bone dice, she no play tita toe. And anywhere we go, we have to start the show. Lord, we go on a raft, go to California. We go to Trinidad and even Tobago. They never know that we could have soca so. Soca me right, soca me left. Soca like waiter, soca like chef. She blowing a whistle like a football ref. And when she let me go, Lord God, me nearly deaf. She say in my pocket is some $20 bill. And if you want them, you have to use your skill. Ride a one-wheel bicycle up Spurtree Hill. Go round Nick Rail and come back Mandeville. Lord, jamming. She says she jamming. Lord, let's go listen to in a fashion. The song's kind of scratchy, but it's not any fault. But you come to think call, give me loving, Al Campbell selection itinerary. With them on as a principal.
Greetings, Colonel. I know I step out of soca, go straight down in a room, my girl. Right. Come on. Hey. But I say give me some loving. Keep on forward to the next till you take down tones on. But I see the same with STUR GAV, people come around.
You know I just can't do without it now.
Now you got a 2-1 teacher. The Colonel Josie Yellow. Listen to Jamaica along with the principal. They bring it now.
I need your love, that's all I know. Well, now
Anthony Johnson, we father is a pastor.
I need your love, that's all I know. I want you, girl, so please don't go. Give me loving, sweet, sweet loving. Come on, make we have nice time. Come on, make we have nice time. Come on, make we have nice time. Give me love. Oh, now, give me love. Loving in the morning, love in the evening.
give
me a loving
on the Christmas night.
from the start.
I hope everybody feel alright.
You know I really need your loving right now.
Tomorrow morning you hear the people them a screw.
Please
A STUR GAV coming like a big stamp of Joe.
right. You know I gave you true loving from the start.
But if I clock you know left them Malibu.
So run, come on, make we have nice time. Run, come on, make we have nice time. Run, come on, make we have nice time with your loving.
Now here come the combination two special request to all countrymen as I would tell you. Now when I say countryman, I don't mean man who come from Westmoreland or Manchester. Cause the whole of Jamaica is a country scene. So I deal with bad man. Countryman, you should not leave your country, in town gang. Make him so hold you with the big M1. Now they lock you up down eradication. Do it! Me say your mama up a walk. Go we are Westmoreland. Go check your rich uncle, the one by Ran. We see if him can help her get your bail ban. The Babylon are used but no broke off your hand. Countryman, you don't left your country, in town gang. Make him so hold you with the big M1. Now they lock you up down eradication. Don't be your mommy magic, you can't understand. You walk from Kingston, go to Westmoreland. But take your rich uncle, the one by Ran. I would man have take her now.
But if you don't, police crew, body book, I must say, the police and the soldier will know what to do. Jah know them have to hold you, right? Jah know them have to get you. For me say, mass me master, mass me master, mass me master. Watch you wicked them a pass. Sir Jab a bubble in a A1 class. The girl them a bubble like a snake in the grass, Lord. Some so slow and some so fast. Some a ride on a horse go to Banbury Cross. We have to hold you. But until you nothing can be my forget you. You never hear about when you style it, hey. You not hear about when you style it. White people here we in a England from cassette. They say them hear a lot and got them stop fret. And some of them want to in a Germany. We play in the town and in the country. Cornwall, Middlesex and even Surrey. We soon go to France and even Italy. We have to hold you. So now they give me my big head, yo. So last year I know you come with the part 3 style. With them on as a principal.
Right, Colonel. A combination between a fashion, you know. The man called Inspector Willie takes time out and show under the influence of the sounds called King STUR GAV fires out till black people. Yeah! But I say do what you can. And black people, Jah will give you an helping hand. But look at thing called the Eagle Jackers. Cause Eagle Jackers go a pastor. I'm losing Eagle and the master. Come say what a disaster. Just the drug you have in the area. Got the look up a Josie in a Chester. Lord of God and the roots and culture. When I say black people, men call Inspector with a cool selector. Man call Daddy you are the teacher. They want Josie wheel, him can't go to jail. Cause if him go to jail, me know he must get bail. Him want teeth, granny write the inspector a mail. Say little after that him have to get him own bail. We have the lyrics wholesale, we have them retail. And when we come a dance, we no care them in a bail. The DJ try to say Lord I got them a go feel. Man say get rounds I will tell you. This long time, girl, me no see you. Come me say, come make me wheel and turn you. Come me say, come make we sing and dance. Girl, me say, come make we do tengelan. Man, me have to rub you. How will you say, Colonel?
Man, me have to dump you. But till you say me bound, have to dump you. But when the river to the bank, Cowbally. Say no, the deck, Cowbally. Come at the dreadlocks him there, yeah, Cowbally. Inspector Willie, I'm a rubbing over there. Mama little every me say I'm a sister, she a push them down. In a she basket, she have some woolly for bush. When me see the woman morning time, she just a sleep out. Man for yapa, woman for yapa. Lime leaf, gully root and granny backbone. Get man and get up on a lip and to roll. The only thing the woman never have was a good strong Cali weed. Me know me happy get you.
Style it, rip it, oi. Hey. Two on the left, two on the right. I tell you, little girl, we are gonna mash it tonight. Out of sight, dynamite. I tell you, everything is gonna be alright. Cause it's a dance all style. Hey, tell them, right, ribbit. And this a dance all style. Bong diddle day, bong diddle day, bong diddle day. You know, remember the old time style. You know, remember the old time style. Then the style was a wicked and wild. And then the style gone 10,000 miles. Oi, baby, hey, oh yeah. And you could rock it, baby, rock it. And keep on jacking, play, bang, play. I'm musical this of the day. Bang, little day, bang, bang, little day, bang, bang, little boy. Hey, and you know remember the new style, yeah. And you know about the new style, yeah. Repeat, oi, damn it. Hey, oh yeah.
Addis Ababa International.
Bang, 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 boy. Bang, 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 boy. And them your style really wicked and wild. Made for rebel and disciplined child. Forward down the musical line. Bomb salute and wind your waistline. Cause it's a dance all style.
But I said we could beat all the dance all style. Now here come the combination two special request to all bad guys. When I say black people at a time like this, they got to live well, Chris. I can't make no Babylon put no handcuff on your wrist, as I would tell you. Prefer dress up in a glass and fit like tourists. Man called Colonel, the teacher, the inspector, and the principal. In a one combination, we now walk. We not no bad guy pass it, we now walk. We not no bad guy pass it. Now one of them good at me. Catty, you one of them good at dumpy. Carry me say, I wanna lick him get and him job won't tear. Him said that him a will rob the hardware. I want box him get in a him blasted face. Him said that him and Josie did go shoot up the place. I want kick him get in a him blasted back. Him said that him and Chaplin did go broke him man shop. We now walk. In a no bad guy passy, we now spar. Hey, in a no bad guy passy. Cause one of them good at me. Say man, one of them good at jumpy. I will say Colonel.
Bubble in a dancehall style. Not a bubble in a dancehall style. We say we hunger the mic, not so wild. So when you come a STUR GAV, you can bring your juvenile. We bubble in a dancehall style. Cannot a bubble in a dancehall style. After me buy a new laptop, me have to shop it with my file. DJ and tired, me have to rest a little while. Bubble in a dancehall style. Yeah, you know, I'll Campbell showcase the musical spotlight, keep on shining bright. So you come and I play the thing called Too Much Anthony Johnson selection. And I jump out a frying pan and jump in a fire. Super duper singer saying, man call Anthony Johnson. Say too much. Super duper singer come in. Come in super duper.
Too much, too much. Too much bouncing around, girl. Too much, too much. Too much run up and down, girl. Why don't you settle down now? Why don't you settle down now?
super duper singer come in.
Your special request to the man called Josie. Special request to the man called Chaplin. Special request to the man called Daddy Roy, you know, the teacher. Yeah. Bird of a church, yeah. Too much. Too much, run up and down, girl. Too much. Too much, run up and down, girl. Why don't you settle down, girl? Why don't you settle down, girl? Come on to me, girl. Ooh, yeah. I can't stop loving you. I can't stop wanting you. I can't stop seeing you. Why don't you settle down, girl? Come on to me, girl. Ooh, yeah. Too much. Too much run up and down, girl. Too much. Too much ups and downs, girl. Why don't you settle down, girl? Why don't you settle down, girl? Come on to me, girl. Ooh, yeah. I can't stop loving you. I can't stop seeing you. I can't stop wanting you. Why don't you settle down, girl? Why don't you settle down, girl? Come on to me, girl. Ooh, yeah. Too much. Too much and up and down, girl. Too much. Too much ups and down, girl. Why don't you settle down, girl? Why don't you settle down, girl? Come on to me, girl. Ooh, yeah. I can't stop loving you. I can't stop wanting you. I can't stop seeing you. Why don't you settle down, girl? Where I said Josie.
Got to settle down. You see it's time. What a super duper singer like a that you can sing. A youth like a you should the rest of foreign. Everyone your finger should the upon ring. Your power bucket up police for sing. The queen take away the crown from the king. Lord of God, me say you look slim, you look so trim. For me say dark is your complexion. Me look on you is a champion. Hey. So do the thing, keep me rocking and sing. Jumping on the river, we go catch a little swim. Rhythm style and I play. Super duper singer. Original bouncing. You see, go back like super duper.
Too much, run up and down, girl. Too much, run up and down, girl. Why don't you settle down, girl?
Addis Ababa
Why don't you
International.
settle down, girl? Come on to me, girl. Ooh, yeah. I can't stop loving you. I can't stop wanting you. I can't stop seeing you. Why don't you settle down, girl? Why don't you settle down, girl? Come on to me, girl. Ooh, yeah. Too much. Too much and up and down, girl. Where I said Josie here?
Ribbit, cause this a sing for fires and never ranking. You can't buy a Heineken, you hold a thing. Jump on a plane and then you go a foreign. Me say me jump in the river and me hold a little slim. Me wake up this morning, I'm sick fried dumpling. Little up of that, me go a boxing gym. And this a bouncing. Little this a play to everyone the Iowa. Now me brush it every night with ultra bright. Every way that me go ball out for ribbit and right. Now you come out in call. Me go think I play the thing called Stop My Loving. And Tony Johnson selection.
You hear me now? Yeah, yeah. No.
Man call on Tony Johnson selection like you want to do now.
You hear me now?
Super duper singer. Saying,
your mother want to stop my loving. Your father want to stop my loving. You hear me now? Your mother want to stop my loving. Whoa. Your father want to stop my loving.
what the man I say super?
Special look at the man called Josie. Special look at the man called Charlie. Yeah. Special look at the man called Clark Kent. Man called Clark Kent. Special look at the man called Richie, you know. Your mother wanna stop my loving. You hear me now? Your father wanna stop my loving. Oh yeah. Your mother wanna stop my loving. You hear me now? Your father wanna stop my loving. Oh yeah. If I tell you something what you don't know about, just be yourself and no one else. Your mother want to stop my loving. You hear me now? Your father want to stop my loving. Oh yeah, come on. Got to have your loving, your true love. Oh yeah, now you got to have your loving, yeah. Well, yeah. You got to have love. Your mother wanna stop my loving. You hear me now? Your father wanna stop my loving.
right? Cause if you really truly want my loving, you could never wait until it's gone. Baby, got to love it till the break of dawn. Cause if your mother lock the door and then your father keep the key, that could never stop you from really loving. I say sugar up your coffee, girl, and sugar your tea. Your best sugar up your lips them before you kiss me. Show me praise to Selassie. God and show me praise to Selassie. Jano, till you say no heathen can't stop Jaja loving. No matter how much them coulda try, I say no heathen can't stop almighty loving. Baby girl, I coulda never tell you why. Cause it was spitting on the sky, it a go falling on your eye. What goes up and said it must come down. Everybody in the world say them love the King's sound. When they dance and keep them off they pay £2. Them could never stop from loving stereo hi-fi. Yeah, you know, super dinger, super duper, super dingwa. Selection each and every one the Iowa. Then you come to think all what a bam bam. What a bam bam me I dream. Lord, what a bam bam. Bam diddling 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 diddling. Lord, don't cut the miss low and the one mass run. I would have want to say principal.
Yes, Colonel boy, I see how going on it. When I say black people, holy pop style, something. Say what something, something. Something. Come and say what something. Boy, you me man. Say out of the and G man, they make Heineken. Out of separate, they make Vaseline. A red gunner, but they make beer pin. They want Papa Josie and Papa Chaplin. Say what something. You took me with a pin, Jaja charge up the sin. Say might be next week you hear me gonna foreign. Me nah marry girl in a no popcorn ring. Come me say what something.
Addis Ababa International.
Inspector, Rivet Colonel.
Selassie I principal. When you come and think all the original Bam Bam. Originated by I and the principal. What a bam bam. What is a what a bam bam. What a ding. Right. Yes, I want you to know that I am the man who will fight for the right and not for the wrong. What a bam bam. For me say what a bam bam. For me say bim, Lord me say bam. Tell you about the slow and the one must run. Jamaica greatest comedian. From me say 1962 we get the liberation from the Queen of England. Say dreadlocks come out in a them Rasta town. Baby mother come out in a them picking a them from Dosa Jam. Lord of God and this a what a bam bam. We say we live Kingston, we have a blast Clarendon. Little up at that we reach Westmoreland. You see we down a whole cheap on the white sun. Hey, white woman does a whole white man. Stereo must touch him with the love potion. The whole of them a bubble in a slow motion. Bam bam, for me say what a bam bam. You never hear about the Maroon rebellion. The one Paul Vogel with the cutlass in him hand. Him hiding on the bush and does a damn roast, yeah. Bam bam, for me say what a bam bam. But if you should trouble this or this man, they bring a bam bam. Bam bam with a little bam bam. Me then slang bitterly, what a bam bam. And what a what a bam bam. Lord of mercy. What the man say principal?
Yes, Colonel. Now you come the combination style and play to the one about the folly. You got to be jolly. Now people, good things come to those who wait and not to them that bend up them face to them and them cassette and them tape, you know. In the island, where you no star. Say that they care for the number one. They rock on for the number one. Star in a village was your night principal. Everywhere we go, man, we get no girl. And this King Champ and the Governor General, we take away your girl cause we a field marshal. The Lord that they care for the number one. Come me say from. We come here, we no get no sense in me, yeah. Come me say from. Hey. We come here, we no get no sense in me, nah. Lord of God, Obadiah from. We come here, we no get no sense in me, yeah. We might have throw down the mic and go away. Might have pull down we sound and go away. One of these days. But you me man. Some a fuss, some a fight, some a fight, some a fuss. We put them on a bus and send them go to for us. Go listen that the sound where they call Charles. With DJ man, me and Uncle Rufus. Say some of them a say in favor Rhinoceros. Say some of them a say in favor Hippopotamus. Say some a say in favor Jam Octopus. Say some of them a say in favor whole Thermos. Say some of them a say in favor whole Jolly Bus. But another one by the dust. So you me man, say one blow me blow. Say zero me say one blow me blow. Me say the people them a merry. The whole away happy. Some a dance down a riverside. But you me, and jackass with him long tail. Bag a cocoa coming down, right? And jackass with him a long tail, ribbit, raga cocoa coming down. Say no beat him, say no tease him, say no make him hamper squeeze him. Bim, jackass with him a long tail, bag a cocoa coming down. Oh, you come man call Anthony Johnson, super duper singer. Special request to the man called Charlie, you know, said. Dreadlocks, special request to all the dreadlocks in the dance. Yeah. Listen this time. What you gonna do when the Father comes for you? Where you gonna run to, Mr. Wicked Man? You run to the rock ran away from you. You ran to the tree ran away from you. Wicked Man, you got to know yourself. Oh, you gotta know yourself. In this time, Jah is watching you. Yeah. Stop killing, my brother. Ah, stop shooting, my sister. Yeah, Wicked Man, you gotta know yourself. Where I say Charlie? When I say the man called Anthony Johnson, cause Anthony Johnson you really can sing. A youth like a you shoulda live off foreign. No gold chain and medal you da win. And when you come back them call you Magdalene King. But fan way soldier man fan way. Now he come to look a shock attack. I'm look a thing called the shake. Boy me a show you say dreadlocks. A murder with charge for. Right. Hey, Maybe some Shanghai shake. And when we ship it to me old and weak. You want Papa Josie come be nice up the plate. Ribbit Colonel,
Ribbit Principal, Celestia, I know. All this I want to tell the Shanghai shake. I tell you this a Shanghai shake. So when the chicken make the whole place shake. You must start. But when me traveling in a vehicle, me step on the brake. Christmas come on and me never bake no cake. Nickel and potato and me bed me wake. When me was a youth, me used to ride for me slate. Me love Jah, and Jah know say that is great. And Almighty love His Son, predominate. If you don't have no money, don't come show me gate. This a Shanghai shake. This a one that on the Shanghai shake. Ribbit, it make the whole place shake. From me send the fruit and eyes on the king of Babylon. Spread up and bed them in a sardine pot. I'm a righteous man, me never trouble no one. Me walk on the land with me Bible in my hand. No Babylon can't hold me with no sophisticated weapon. Read from Ascension to Revelation. Sight up a warning to all black man. Say looking at ourselves in a creation. When we read up the Bible, they can tell you about the 7th book of Moses. Jamaica tell you about the Maccabee Bible. Jamaica tell you about the Holy Bible, Lord. For this a Shanghai shaker. Say when they take it, make the whole place shake. Lord, Jah go send an earthquake. Only for wicked man a live out of the place. Walk on the street and them a bend up them feet. Hey, Ribbit, what the man a say principal?
yes, Colonel, I said the Colonel culture up the rhythm even more than the general. Oh, may the saving grace of our Lord and Savior Jesus Christ, love God, the Father, the full fellowship of the Holy Spirit, that was made and abide with us all this night and forevermore. Jah, Rastafari, Celestia, man, the youth them nowadays full of misbehavior. Them angle one another like a we a stranger. But Papa Chaplin is a DJ, no love the tester. That is why I don't sit amongst warmonger. We study but no gun call no Winchester. And I don't kill man down a Manchester. When the whole away a brother,
Addis Ababa
man say the whole
International.
away a brother. You know why? Police nowadays, them no walk with partner. Police nowadays, them no walk with partner. They walk with something, they put you in your cap. But when they sight me and Willie, them not doing nothing. Caught up in our whoop it right now. So me say, hey youth man, broke up your valley. Immediately you full of ignorance. All you meditate man is fear enemy. Your mind and your body full of fantasy. We have the axe job, we really help we. But behold I live. Little thing, behold I live. Do it! Say behold I live forevermore. Or behold I live. Little thing, behold I live. Do it! Say behold I live forevermore. We hear them style of dread. Say we no chat slackness. We are culture in all this. We don't got no time to go chat no gimmicks. Say all who don't love a culture lyric are going up in a bottomless precipice. Ribbit Inspector. Yes sir. The best, you know say it, STUR GAV, you know say it. This is that style, you know what I'm saying? I'm an under the dancer. Praise the president, STUR GAV posse, yeah. I don't know why she loved me so, baby. I don't know why she want me so.
Walk one
Oh,
ENT.
yeah. Every time I see her face, she smiles at me. She always loves me. So very classy. I never tasted girl. Do I love her so much? And I will never let her go, yeah. Oh, I don't know why she loved me so. Oh, yeah, yeah. I don't know why she loved me so. Oh, baby, she has just come at my door every morning, and she never did me. Oh, yeah. Strictly rubber, Chaplin. Strictly rubber, Chaplin. Oh, baby, I really love you. Yes, darling. Yes, Anthony Johnson. But right now the colonel say him couldn't come so far and not pray for the people them. Right, Colonel?
It's the last guy principal. You know.
Alright, now I got to praise in our yard. You know, pray for
Every man in a man the village has a disciple, see?
Jano. The we shall arise to meet him. We shall
Rose to meet him. And that morning, when it was falling from his eyelids.
Galang, 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 swing low.
Oh, sing low.
The sweet
Jamaica, coming forth to carry me go home.
But no stone in the river, no stone.
No stone, no stone.
There no stone in the river, no stone.
Oh, no stone, no stone.
God above
has gone, and then roll away the stone. No stone in the river, no stone. God of mercy.
Come and say Peter, Paul and Barnabas. But too many times we have one them. Oh, Joshua, Jordan Road. All and pull up an Vector. Our man has a
I want
Colonel.
a sore list, my brethren. I want a sore list, you know.
The key no label, you know. Henry John Dollars.
Sore list, brethren. Just turn on the radio regular and sing.
Yes, I. Shall arise to meet him.
We shall all rose to meet them. And that morning, when it was falling from his eyes,
Galang, galang, galang,
swing low.
oh, the Bible as God, and it roll away the stone.
Wagwan ENT.